Hi, good morning. With the previous one, we have seen how to set up a page template SEO, which to be used later for the management of our SEO project. With this, let's start to understand the kind of setting to give to WordPress, starting from the activation of a very important tool present in the core of each WordPress. It's called the importer. Doing it is very simple, and we will do it in just 2 clicks. WordPress is really a great CMS also thanks to the fact that, for example, it has an internal instrument that can import even large projects if written in XML. Okay, so let's go to the dashboard. Here, written on the bortolete, click on dashboard, and we move on to activate the importer. Let's go to the left in search of the function that we can find on the voice tool. Click on that tool and click on import. In this page, the last item below is WordPress that is used to import an XML post, comments pages, and much more. Let's activate it with install now, a very simple operation, and also you can see very quick to do. From now on, your WordPress is ready to import, so we can move on to the second lesson, the one dedicated to creating the internal user who will have to control the import, our admin SEO. Thank you for your attention. See you on our next lesson. Bye.